Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the infinity symbol on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the infinity symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just opening the document and just going to editing mode, and here you just need to insert the infinity symbol. Use your Google keyboard. So I will show why this will be. So just click on this number option here, then you just need to click on this equal option here. You will see this screen. You just want to first click this again. Now you will see an option of equal to button. You just long press it. It's a hidden option on the keyboard, Google keyboard. You just select infinity by just pressing this. So this is how you just insert the infinity symbol on your Google Docs mobile, because if you are clicking this plus symbol, there is no insert option symbol option present here. So use this alternative by using Google keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.